Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sheikha. If you are interested in this look and you want to see how I did it, please keep watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video and turn the notification on. Like always, I'm gonna start by prepping my eyes by using Tarte Shape Concealer in medium. I'm gonna blend it with just any concealer kabuki brush. Now I'm gonna set my eyelids using Bay from Huda's Beauty Rose Gold palette. Just making sure that it's not sticky. And now I'm gonna use sandalwood and henna as my transition color, just applying it on the crease. And I love to drag it here and here. And now I'm using Sigma E25 blending brush with this shade, I cannot pronounce it right. And I'm gonna focus it more into the crease and drag it down. Basically, I'm gonna apply it to the whole lid. I'm gonna use Cocoa and the same shade that I used before, and I'm gonna apply it onto my outer V and blending it a little bit into the crease. And now I'm gonna use a flat brush from Sleek Cosmetics with the shade Flink. And now I'm gonna use Rose Gold and apply it to the center. And now I'm gonna use any eye pencil just to apply Sigma's gel liner into my waterline. And I'm gonna place it, like drag it underneath just a bit and making a wing. Now I'm gonna use any flat brush or pencil brush just to blend the edges. And now I'm gonna blend it a little bit with henna. And now I'm gonna apply these two shades also on top of henna. And now I'm gonna use a black truffle and cocoa together with the flat Sigma E15 brush and apply it the closest to the lash line. And also I'm gonna use black truffle as an eyeliner, like wing liner, smoky, soft eyeliner. And now I'm gonna use Bay to clean underneath my eyebrow and to brighten my inner corners. And of course I'm gonna blend it with Sigma E40 brush. Also I'm gonna use black truffle and cocoa to darken my outer V just a bit. And now I'm gonna finish my face makeup and apply mascara and falsies and come back. Voila! And this is the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For all the products mentioned and used, please check the description box down below. And please don't forget to check my other tutorials. Thank you for watching.